Hello everyone, and welcome to the second part of a video tutorial on exploring teacher practice area on Moodle. Today we'll explore TPA activities, the range of them available on Moodle, and the process of adding and editing them. Don't forget to turn editing on, otherwise you do not get to adding anything new. So as far as you can see, there are some of the activities I've added, and to explore them, we need to click here and to look at the list of activities. And that is quite long and diverse. So you should click on each and see the description, quite detailed and quite understandable. So I would say that not all of them were available this time, or probably I got some problems while adding them because, for example, I wanted to add a hot question. I'm going to look at it now. Okay, so that is like I wanted my students to post and vote on post. And when I got there, I added, of course, activity name. Yeah, so the description, I've got it quite interesting. I display description on course page, so there are lots of things here you can study. And you can also look at this restrict access and availability. When I added time, you need to enable it, and close time. So I guess there was some problem with the dates. Either this activity is still restricted, or I've got some restricted access to it. So I actually, when I tried to save and return to course, so that showed that there was some problem. Okay, I'm not going to add anything now here, but I'm going to show you what I've got here. So as far as you remember, I added activities, I added resources on ethical coffee, which was about listening to the recording, and okay, my students could use podcasts there, and there was some discussion topic. So I decided to add glossary, and you can see some of those items available here. Whenever you want to add a new entry, so you can see this button here, add a new entry, and you're going to write concept and then give it definition. So you might add some keywords and attachment. And when you are done here, so don't forget to save changes. So what is great about those 6 words? Firstly, that your students can use search, alphabetic, for example, if anything is here, yeah, and or I've got something on A here. But another thing which is great here, that if you'd like to add crossword, so it is going to be connected. Sorry, not here. I should have, okay, here I'm going to show you crossword settings, and source of questions you can choose here. Glossary questions, quiz. As far as questions and quiz are unavailable, so the only thing I've got here, glossary, and you can select glossary from the available glossary resource. I've got mine, which is 6 words. So all the words which were available in the glossary would be added to that crossword, and you don't need to do anything special to design the crossword itself. So you can look at crossword options. Okay, maximum compute time in seconds, anything. Then again, restrict access so you can explore it. And then I already have it done. So let me see. Okay. So what it is going to look like. And you already have definitions across and down automatically designed. And the only thing you need to ask your student to look through glossary, to study it, and then to get to the crossword itself. And that is it. Great, I like that much. Okay, so one more thing which was available, that is podcast. And I added ethical coffee MP3. Yeah, so you can choose, you can add several podcasts here. You can add a new episode. So it is going to be a series of episodes and on the topic. So, and that's great to have it here. Okay, whenever you want to edit it, you're going to get to those edit settings and change the description or add something. You can add podcast image. I've got it here. So ratings, again, restrict access, and maximum attachment size. So here you can see it. Okay, and again, you can display description on course page. I didn't have any description, that is why I didn't click it. Okay, so nothing to save here because no changes were done. And one more activity I added, and let us look at it. So Coffee Junkies, and I added forum. So anyone can add a new discussion topic and okay, start discussing some questions related to the topic. And whenever you want to change something here, so you can edit it around here. Forum name, description, again, pictures, all like a lot of materials available here, so you can design it the way you see it. And lots of functions, subscription and tracking. Yeah, optional subscription, so that depends on what you need for this forum. Ratings, model settings, and activity completion. Okay, so whatever you like. So again, lots of things to study. So thank you for watching this video tutorial on some of the activities available on Moodle. Happy modeling! Thank you. Bye.